Like clockwork. Understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard, like clockwork. This expression is widely used in English, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to make it crystal clear. Get ready to add another phrase to your English toolkit. Like clockwork is an idiom that means something happens very regularly, predictably, or reliably. The phrase draws a comparison to the precise and consistent movement of the gears in a clock. When we say something happens like clockwork, we mean it occurs at regular intervals or in a very predictable pattern. Just like how a clock keeps accurate time. The origin of like clockwork dates back to when clocks were a symbol of precision and reliability. Clocks, especially older mechanical ones, are made of many intricate parts that work together in a precise and consistent manner. This idiom has been used in English for many years, highlighting the admiration people have for things that are as dependable and regular as a well-made clock. Now, let's see how to use like clockwork in sentences. 1. He arrives at work at 8 a.m. like clockwork, never late. 2. Every year, the swallows return to our town like clockwork. 3. The trains here run like clockwork, always on time. In each of these sentences, the phrase, like clockwork, is used to emphasize the regularity and predictability of an event or action. While, like clockwork, is the most common form, you might also hear variations like, runs like clockwork, or works like clockwork. These variations are used in the same way, to describe something that is very reliable or happens regularly without fail. And that's all about like clockwork. Now you know what it means, its origins, and how to use it in everyday conversation. Remember, learning idioms like this one is a great way to enrich your English and sound more like a native speaker. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next lesson.